Very bright good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Yes, you all are safe at home. So yesterday we have discussed 6-digit number, comparison of number. Yes. So today we are going to discuss ordering of numbers, or you can say ordering numerals. So before starting this, let me discuss the two new thing for you: predecessor and successor. What are these two things? So what is the first is predecessor. What is predecessor and what is successor? Predecessor, and the second thing is successor. So what is predecessor and what is successor? Both are the new terms for you. So the predecessor means, to get the predecessor we have to just remove the one from the number. For like example, or you can say just before number. Okay, how you will get the just before number? When you will reduce one from any number, you will get the just before number. So if I am taking one example here, 23,526. So we have to find the predecessor of this number. So what we need to do here? We need to subtract 1 from here. Okay. So what we will get if we will subtract? 6 minus 1, 5. 2 will as it is. 5 will as it is. 3 will be as it is, and 2. So 23,525. So this is a predecessor of 23,526. Pre means just before. Okay. What is the predecessor? Predecessor means just before number of that number. So to get the predecessor, we have to just remove 1 from the number, or you can say you have to just subtract 1 from the number. And what is successor? To get the successor, at the name suggests, success means move forward. Yes, what is the means of success? We need to move forward. So as the name suggests, successor, to get the successor of any number, we have to add 1 to any number, or you can say just after number. Okay, if I am talking about this number only, 23,526. So what is the successor for this? We have to add 1 here. 6 or 1 means 7, 2 will as it is, 5, 3, 2. So the successor of this number will be this number. Okay. 23,527 is the successor of 23,526. If I am talking about the small digit, let's take any small digit, 9 number. So what is the predecessor of 9? We have to subtract 1, 8. 8 is the predecessor of 9. And what is the successor of 9? So we have to add 1, 10. So the 10 is the successor of 9. So these are the two important things, two new terms for you. Predecessor. Predecessor means just before number, and the successor means just after number. To get the predecessor, you have to take out 1, or you have to subtract 1. To get the successor of any number, you have to add 1. Clear? So now let's come to our next topic, ordering of number. So this will use in our ordering of number also. So in two ways we can order the number. Yes. Now you know you can compare the number. In our previous topic we have discussed about the comparison of number, which is the bigger number, which is the smaller number. Yes, which are the equal number. So here we will do the ordering of numbers. So there are two types to ordering of number. Okay. What are the two types? Ascending and descending. Ascending order or descending order. increasing order. Yes, ascending order is also called increasing order. So I am writing here. And the descending order is also called decreasing order. Yes, now you will say, ma'am, what is the means of ascending and descending? So what is the means of ascending? Ascending means smallest to greatest. What is the means of ascending? Smallest to greatest means we can arrange numbers smallest to greatest way. So smallest to greatest. And here descending means greatest to smallest. So one by one we will discuss about ascending and descending. Okay. First I am discussing about ascending order. So three names are there for ascending. So don't be confused with it. What are the three names? Ascending means increasing order. Increase. Do you know what is the means of increase? If I have half glasses of water, if I pour some more water, so you will get a full glass of water. So water is increasing. Yes. So increase means ascending order, or you can say smallest to greatest. While we are climb the stairs, have you seen the stairs? Everyone has seen the stairs at your home. So while we climb the stairs, we start from the lowest height. सबसे नीचे से हम start करेंगे. We will start from here, and gradually the height will increase. So height is increasing here. Yes. So what is happening here? The height is increasing. Means here we have smallest and here we have greatest one. Okay. So this is called ascending order. Ascending, or you can say increasing. Okay. Ascending and increasing both are the same thing. So what is the means of ascending and increasing? Ascending and increasing means smallest to greatest. Let's take an example. Smallest to greatest number. I am writing one few numbers here. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So what is the means of ascending? You know, ascending means increasing order, means smallest to greatest. So we have to find the smallest number first. So where is the smallest number here, and how we will find the smallest number? The number who has less number of digits, that is the smallest number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. Means these two number are the smallest number here. But here we have to choose the smallest one. Both are small number, but we have to choose the smallest, जो सबसे छोटा है. So if the digits are same, then what we need to check? Leftmost digit. Leftmost में क्या है हमारे पास? What we have 9, and here we have 5. So which is the smallest number here? This one. So we have to tick here, and first we will write this number here, 5250. Yes. So after this, which is the smallest one? This one. So this one I will write 9400. 20. Yes. After this, now we have these two numbers, 5-digit number, 5-digit. If the digits are same, then we have to check the leftmost 1, 1. If these two are same, then we have to check the next number. Here we have 2, here we have 1. So this is the smallest number. So we'll write this number 11,223. And at last we have left with 12,503. See, so in this way we have arranged the number in ascending order, or you can say increasing order. See, the number is increasing. Here we have the smallest number and here we have the greatest number. Clear? So this is ascending order, increasing order, or you can say smallest to greatest number. Okay, when we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, always you have to find the smallest number only. आपको बस smallest number ढूंढना है, लिखना है, and you have to make a tick. Why we are putting tick here? So that you will not confuse that we have used this number or not. एक tick हम mark बनाते हैं जिससे हमें पता लगता है that we have written this number on the right place. Okay. So always choose the smallest number, write here, make a tick. Then see the next smallest number, put a tick and write. Then see the next smallest number, put a tick and write, and this is the smallest number here. So in this way we can arrange the number in ascending order. Now let's come on the descending order. What is the descending order? Just opposite of ascending order. If I am talking about the descending, or you can say decreasing. Decreasing, see the name is suggesting here decrease means किसी चीज का कम हो जाना. पहले आपके पास ज्यादा है. If you have a full pencil, you will after 2 and 3 days what will happen? The height of the pencil will decrease because you will use the pencil, you will sharpen the pencil, and gradually, slowly the height will decrease. So this is called decreasing. Decreasing means greatest to smallest. In this way we have climbed the stairs. Now we are coming down from the stairs. So here we have topmost height. Then this gradually, slowly the height is decreasing. जैसे हम stairs से नीचे आ रहे हैं, what happening? The height is decreasing, and here we have the smallest height. So the decreasing, descending, decreasing means greatest to smallest. You have to arrange the number in greatest to smallest way. So let's take an example. I am taking an example of a single digit. Simple digits, let's take 5,243, 9,264, 3,205 and 1,101. Okay, so we have to arrange these numbers in descending order now. You can say descending or you can say decreasing. Both are same thing. Okay, don't be confused with it. That descending and decreasing, don't be confused with it. Both are the same. Just learn from the descending and the decreasing. Okay, descending and decreasing. So descending or decreasing means greatest to smallest. It means always you need to find only greatest number. आप बस greatest number ढूंढिए. Just make a tick and write it. So what is the greatest number here? First we need to check digit. 1, 2, 3, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. सभी के पास 4 digits हैं. 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits. If digits are same, then what we need to check? Leftmost number. 5, 9, 3, 1. So which is the greatest number here? 9. So this is the biggest number here. So make a tick and first we'll write this number. Yes. Now we will not see this number because we have write this number on a correct place. So now we have left with 3 numbers. This. So here we have 5, 3, 1. So which is the greatest number here? This one. So make a tick and write here After this you have left with these two number. So this is the greatest number here. अगर मैम दोनों में से कंपेयर करते हैं ये सबसे बड़ा नंबर है because here we have 3, here we have 1. So I am making a tick here and I am writing this number. And the last we have left with this. So in this way we have arranged the number in decreasing order, descending order, or you can say greatest to smallest. See here, this is the greatest number here. Yes, this is the greatest number and this one is the smallest number here. This is the greatest one number here and this is the smallest number here. I hope it is clear to you all now. Greatest number and smallest number, ascending and descending order. Again I am repeating the same thing. This is ascending order, this is descending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing means smallest to greatest. First we need to write smallest. जब हमें इंक्रीजिंग में मैनेज करना है वी हैव टू अरेंज द नंबर इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. आपको बस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर देखना है और लिखते जाना है. ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली एट द एंड यू विल गेट द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. एंड व्हाइल यू आर राइटिंग द नंबर्स इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, जस्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. आपको बस ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर देखना है और लिखते जाना है. ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर एट द एंड. So I hope you all understand now increasing and decreasing order. Yes, I will send the homework through your WhatsApp. So you have to complete your homework daily. You have to show your homework. Okay. So if you have any doubt, feel free to call me. You can contact me. You can send me a personal message on my personal window that I am not getting this point. So I will explain you. Thank you everyone. Take care yourself.